Welcome back to my channel, Chemistry with Sunna ma'am. Today I have taken two questions. This one is from acids, bases, and salt. I'll read the question and then I will explain how to solve this. Identify the gas evolved at the anode and cathode in the given experimental setup. Name the process that occurs when it is why is it called so. Illustrate the reaction of the process with the help of a chemical equation. Now first you have to observe the given diagram. From the diagram it is clear that solution used in the reaction is brine solution. They have used brine solution. Brine solution is nothing but a saturated solution of sodium chloride in water. So sodium chloride is NaCl. Brine solution is NaCl. When electricity is passed through brine solution, it undergoes a kind of reaction, and in that process products are obtained at anode and cathode. The question here is, what is the product obtained at the cathode and at the anode? So at the cathode, here during the process the product obtained at the cathode is hydrogen gas, whereas at the anode the product released is chlorine gas. At the anode we get chlorine gas, and this process has a particular name. Since the products obtained in the reaction are alkali, that is sodium hydroxide is one of the product, and we get hydrogen and chlorine. These three products are obtained. Hence the name of this reaction is chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. There is one more question. Illustrate the reaction of the process with the help of a chemical equation. So since the solution taken is sodium chloride, we have to write NaCl. Sodium chloride is taken in the aqueous form. That means solution, it's in the dissolved in water. Then when electricity is passed, we get basically three products. One is sodium hydroxide solution, that will be in the aqueous form. Second one is chlorine, which is obtained at the anode and it is obtained in the form of gas. The third product is hydrogen, again in the gaseous form at the cathode. On balancing, you will find this is the equation. So the reaction asked here is chlor-alkali process. One more question. The second question you can see here. Srishti heated ethanol with a compound A in the presence of a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid and observed a sweet smelling compound B is formed. When B is treated with sodium hydroxide, it gives back ethanol and a compound C. Now this type of question, when it comes, see the chapter is clear, this is from carbon and its compounds, and you should be knowing all the reactions from this chapter. So one of the reactant mentioned here is ethanol. It is made to react with a compound A. So let us list the data given to you. So ethanol is treated with the compound A, and what are we getting is a compound B, which is what? Sweet smelling. So the sweet smelling compound that you have learnt is an ester. So this reaction, it's esterification reaction, and here condition is given. This is done in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. And here ethanol is made to react with the carboxylic acid. So an alcohol reacts with the carboxylic acid and we get a sweet smelling ester. This reaction is called esterification reaction. So the alcohol selected here is ethanol and the ester taken here, the carboxylic acid taken here is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. And the product that you will get in this process is ethyl ethanoate. So ester produced as a part of the reaction is ethyl ethanoate. Now this B, product B, ethyl ethanoate, is made to react with sodium hydroxide. Then what are the products that you are getting is you will get ethanol. One of the product is ethanol and another product C is obtained. In this case, the product C is sodium salt of ethanoic acid. So here you have already listed. Now you have to say what is A, what is C, and you have to give the product uses and the equations. So from this you are clear what is. So identify A. A is nothing but ethanoic acid. In the same question they have asked you what is B. B is ethyl ethanoate. And what is C? C is sodium salt of ethanoic acid. Next, give one use of A and B. So where is A used? A is used. Ethanoic acid is a flavoring agent. It is a flavoring agent. Then it is used as a preservative. So here it's a preservative and a flavoring agent. Flavoring agent. Then second one, use of C. What is C? Sodium salt of ethanoic acid. The question is use of B. So B, ethyl ethanoate, it has a sweet smelling agent. So it is used in making perfumes. It's used in making perfumes. These are the two parts. Then equation. The first part is the reaction, esterification you have to write. This is ethanoic acid plus ethanol will give you, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, will give you CH3, COO, C2H5 plus H2O. This is esterification. And the second reaction is CH3, COO, C2H5 plus NaOH. This is saponification, and you will get CH3COONA plus C2H5OH. And this first reaction is esterification reaction and second reaction is saponification reaction, which is reverse of esterification reaction. So I hope you have understood this from the chapter Carbon and its Compounds. Thank you.